Hello everyone, you're now in co-ed Swishmark tutorial. Today, I'm going to discuss about setting up a container for external content. So, the first thing that I'm going to discuss is the guidelines. So, there are two ways in putting a guidelines in a file. The first one is click on the ruler. It could be in a horizontal form or it could be in the vertical form. So, as you can see, I can move the ruler wherever I want. It depends on your desire. Then move the guidelines wherever or anywhere. The second method is by putting a value on it. Just right click, then guides, insert horizontal guide. Putting a value on it, so I prefer to use the 350 value. Then for vertical guide, 500. So now we're done in guidelines. Now we're going to insert sample images on a project file. So go to the insert, then click import images. So mission, then open it. After that, you can drag your image on the guideline. So another thing of this, can add some borders on it. You can change also the thickness of the border. So you can add some colors on your images. Then you can change the effects, the appearance of your images. So in export option, we can change the image quality, the transparency, and the resolution of the original images. In appearance, you can change the brightness, the contrast, the midtone, the hue, the saturation, and the lightness. So I'm going to change not this one, the hue. I love the blue one. So in effects, you can change the effects of your images. Could be in blur, engrave, edges, mask, speckle, sharpen, emboss, mean, and the speckles. So after choosing on the effects, you can change also the effect blend of the images. Then click OK. That's it. That's how images made. Lastly, in this tutorial, we're going to add a text file of the project. So insert, import text, mission, then open. So you can change the font style of your text. Um, Arial Black, you can change the font size of it. So that's it. That's how this video works. So thank you for watching.